You can see you have costume 1, costume 2 on the left hand side. Then you may also wish to introduce some sounds. And to do that, we have this choose sound feature you can use. So when you click on choose sound feature, you're able to see the different categories of sounds. You have all the sounds. Then you can go to animal sounds. For example, just need to point to the sounds and you're able to see the different types of sounds. Okay. So if you wish to choose any of the sounds, then you can just select. By default, you normally see the meow sound. Okay, so you can see. Let's identify one of the sounds, and the first sound we can have here is for a cricket. Okay, I'll click on cricket. Then we can easily play the cricket sound, and then we go back. You can go back to a code. Since we chose the cricket sound, I can easily delete this sprite, and then we add another sprite. Okay, choose a sprite. Do we have cricket? Just check, scan through, and see. When you scroll down, can you identify a cricket or a character that appears to be like a cricket? Continue scrolling down. Different characters. You can see different symbols. Okay, so we'll just settle on one to see that can just help us quickly demonstrate the use of sounds. Okay, maybe Beetle. We can use the Beetle character. So we have Beetle character, and this programming area will allow us now to write the program. So the first thing we may want to do is, okay, we have the sound. We can pick some sounds. Or first, before we do that, we go to events block and drag this when green flag is clicked, and you actually know where the green flag is. It's this one. Okay, it's there. You can use that to trigger all instructions. So when the green flag is clicked, what happens to our cricket? Okay, our cricket can play some sound. They can drag. But which sound? Which sound do we play? We go to sounds, then add the sound. Okay, look for cricket sound. Select, we go back to our code, and then you can see the cricket sound has been captured here. You see the cricket sound captured. So now I can come here and just select the cricket sound, and the moment I trigger this on the green flag, it will actually respond. So you can see we can still do offline coding just like the way we did the online coding. If you want to always separate these blocks, you just hold the one below. Introduce some control so that the sound is repeated a number of times. You can come here and bring the repeat block, attach everything together, and then trigger. Okay, so the sound is not that pleasant. It has done it 10 times, and you can do this for other different tasks you wish to complete. Okay, so maybe we can try one more thing. Add a stage. Add a stage, assuming the beetle is in the castle, and it's somewhere here. And we can also add another sprite. Maybe this time we have butter here approaching the beetle from the other side. So you notice this, when I select beetle character, beetle sprite, its corresponding code appears. When you come to butter, at this time we don't have any code for butter. Okay, so to write a simple code, we also do the same thing. We go to events block, pick the when green flag is clicked, and this time now want butter to say something. And how do we do it? The best way to do that is to just add an extension. Down here you can see add extension option. Is this option to add extensions. So when I click on add extensions, we have different types of extensions: music extensions, pen extensions, video sensing, text to speech, translate, makey, microbeat. Okay, so if you wish, for example, to have butter say something, use this text to speech extension. So you click on it and it gives us additional blocks. For example, speak. So butter will speak out. Set voice to alto, or set language to English. So we can also have that flexibility. Okay, so in our case, as the Butter approaches the Beetle, we will just pick one of these controls, drag, speak. Okay, but this time instead of saying hello, because probably has encountered a Beetle which it didn't expect, we'll just say help, help. And again, you can see we can test this block.
Help. 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 Help.
Okay, for how long will we test this? Help, help. Okay, we can add the statement, I need some help. Okay, I need some help. So want this to be done using the same control block for about 5 times. So you can change this to 5, then drag the help block into this, and then we connect. So what you'll notice here is, right, have the click when the green flag is clicked. This one has when the green flag is clicked. When you go to Beetle as well, it has the when the green flag is clicked block. So which is an events block. Okay, so to run our program, you will click on the flag.
Help. Help. I need some help. 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 I need some help.
You can have multiple characters. You can write their specific programs and trigger execution by using the when the green flag is clicked for all. To make it more interesting, we can choose motion. Okay, so we'll have the Beetle move in the positive direction 5 steps. And then Butter on the other side move while saying help opposite direction. So we'll have negative 5. It's negative value forces the sprite to move in the left hand direction, and positive value forces the sprite to move in the right hand direction. So let's see.
Help. Help. I need some help. 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 I need some help.
We'll just do like we did online. You go to file, save to your computer, and it will locate a drive, maybe the downloads, and you can save it as Butter and Butter and Beetle, and we have our program saved. The next time you wish to start it, you can load it back.